Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to use Signal and basically just a full beginner's guide tutorial in 2021 for Signal on your iPhones. It's actually really easy to do. This application is available on your app stores, so if you guys don't have it yet, just go ahead to your app store and download it. And I've already created my account on here, but to create an account, it's actually really easy. It just takes a minute. You just need your phone number, and it's basically just like any other application to create an account. So I'll show you guys first off how to set a profile photo and how to change your name and stuff like that. So if we just go to the top left corner where you see your initials probably as of right now, you'll see your name and your number and stuff like that. So if we just click on that, you'll be able to adjust your name right here, as well as creating a profile picture. So I just have my name set to my channel name right now. And then if you want to put a profile picture as well, just click on the little camera icon. It's going to ask you to choose an option. So it's going to show as camera, photo library, or remove your current photo as it already had one. But let's just say if you want to set for one from photo library, you can go ahead and click on photo library, choose any photo you would like, and then just scale it how you would like to. Click on done, and then you're good to go. You just have to click on save at the top right whenever you make changes, so make sure you guys don't forget to do that. Once you click on save, then you're done here. Now, another thing I would like to show you guys as well is privacy. So if you guys go over to the privacy settings, you will see under messaging, you have read receipts. So if you guys want read receipts on or off, make sure you click on the right setting. Now, when it's enabled, it's going to show the read receipts. So if you don't want to show the read receipts, just turn that off, as well as typing indicators to show when you're typing. So these are things that you guys might want to change right away before you get started. So that's why I wanted to show this to you guys. So if you want to get rid of the typing indicators and the read receipts so nobody knows when you read the message or when you're typing, make sure to disable both of those things right here. Now we can back out of privacy and head over to appearance. This is where you will be able to change from the dark mode to the light mode and stuff like that, or you can just have it set to system. I'm currently in dark mode on my iPhone right now, so if I keep it on system, it's going to stay dark. But depending what you have your iPhone setting on, this is where you could change the theme for the Messenger application. So once we're done doing that, we can back out of here. That's really the main gist of things I'm going to show you guys in this area. So we can then exit out of here. Now, to create a group or start a chat with someone, you can go ahead to the top right corner and click on the little pencil icon. Here you can see an option to create a new group, find someone by their phone number, invite friends to Signal, or if you already have friends that have Signal, you'll see a bunch of their numbers right below here. I personally do not have anyone who has Signal right now, so I don't have anyone there, but you guys might when you create your account. Now, to start off by creating a group, you just click on New Group. And then, like I said, I don't have any contacts right now, but if you do, it might show you guys some people here. But if you don't like me or you want to add contacts that you don't currently have, you can click on Find Contacts by Phone Number right here and just type in their phone number and invite them to Signal, and then you'll be able to add them to your group. But let's just say if you've already clicked on the people that you want to add to your group or you don't have anyone, it'll then show you Next or Skip at the very top here. So I'll just click on Skip for now, and then it will give us an option to name the group whatever we would like. So I just name Test, just like that. And then you could also create a picture for the group if you would like to as well by clicking on the camera icon and clicking on photo library, just similar to how we chose our profile picture for our own accounts. But once you guys are done doing that, you can click on create at the very top right. And then you'll have your group created here. Very simple. And then right here, it says invite friends, share this link to them to quickly let them join the group. And then if you want to, you can you could choose to allow them to join by approving them. So if you want to approve anyone that wants to join your group, just make sure you toggle that on and then click on enable and share link. But I will leave this for now. But yeah, that's how you do that in terms of groups. Very, very simple. Now to send a message to a person, all you have to do is click on the pencil icon, similar to how we created a group. So if you just go ahead to the pencil icon, you could then choose a phone number that you want to send a message to. Like I said before, I currently don't have anyone in my contacts, so I could just do note to self, which is just my own number, just to show you guys how it works. But if you guys just want to click on anyone that you want to send a message to, you can go ahead and do that now, or you can invite friends to Signal by the same way I showed you guys before, just by clicking on invite to friends and searching for their phone numbers. Anyhow, all you have to do is click on the person that you want to send a message to, and then all you have to do is type a message and send it off to them. Now, one thing I'm going to show you guys as well is you could have disappearing messages turned on. And what I mean by that is whenever you send a message and the person sees the message, there will be a timer right below it, and then it will disappear completely after that, similar to how Snapchat works. Now, to enable that when you're in a messenger chat just like this, is just go to the name of the chat at the top or the person's name at the very top, click on that, and you will see an option for disappearing messages right here. So all you have to do is enable that. And then it's going to tell you, you have a couple different options in terms of the duration of how long you want it to disappear in. So right now I have it set to 5 seconds, but you can move it all the way up to 1 week. But let's just say, for example, just to show you guys how it works, I'm going to put it to 5 seconds. Now, if I go back out of here and send another message, it's then going to erase the message after 5 seconds after the message is seen. Since it's to myself, it's going to erase after 5 seconds by itself, just like you guys see right here. So that's very easy. Now, to delete messages entirely without the disappearing message, all you have to do is long press on the message that that you want to delete. And then you will see a trash can icon right at the bottom here, so you can delete that as well. And then it's going to ask you to delete just for yourself or to delete for everyone. So if you want to click on delete for everyone, it will then remove that message, and that's how you pretty much delete and stuff like that in terms of messages. Now, if you want to get rid of chats or groups that are just on here, all you have to do is swipe from the right over to the left, and then it will then delete the group entirely for you, just like it did there, and the message is gone. Now, to leave groups, all you have to do is click on the group, click on the top where you see the name of the group, scroll all the way down, and you will see an option to leave group here. So you can just click on leave group and leave. Very, very simple. And then it says you have left the group. And then obviously to delete that from here as well, you just slide to the right and delete and delete. So that's gone as well. So Signal is very easy to use. If you guys have any questions or anything like that, let me know down below. I do have a lot of short videos showing you guys how to do really quick things with Signal. That's why this video is kind of all over the place, just to show you guys a bunch of different things in one video. But if you guys are looking for one certain thing on how to use Signal, or if you guys are stuck on something, just leave a comment down below. I might already have a video in the Signal playlist on my channel showing you guys how to fix that. So make sure you guys check that out as well. I'll have that linked in the description as well as in the comment section down below. So if you guys need more help, go check out that playlist first before you leave a comment. But if you guys don't see anything that helps you out, be sure to leave a comment. I'll be happy to make more videos into the future to help you guys use this messenger application. Anyways, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to use Signal and how to create your account and stuff like that. This video does help you out. Be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.